How to naturally restore collagen in the face. Collagen gives the skin its strength and elasticity and helps new cells grow to replace dead skin. However, as we get older, our collagen production decreases, causing skin to sag. The good news is you can help to naturally restore your collagen levels with the following tips. Facial massage. If the muscles in your face are toned, they'll be better at retaining skin tightness. Also, more blood will be circulated around the skin, boosting nutrients found in the face. Don't smoke. Smoking limits blood supply to your face and can severely impair collagen production. Hydration. Staying hydrated and keeping your skin hydrated is extremely important. Collagen is able to bind to water and can naturally condition the skin to help maintain moisture levels. Diet. This is one of the most important areas for collagen production. To help restore collagen in your face, you should eat foods that are rich in collagen, protein and vitamin C. This will help support the collagen production process. Great collagen-rich foods include bone broth, salmon, pork and chicken, and eggs. Vitamin C plays a vital role in the production of collagen in your body. It helps regulate the balance between collagen and elastin in the skin, which gives you firm but subtle skin. So include vitamin C rich foods such as vegetables like broccoli, fruits such as strawberries, papaya, pineapple and kiwi, red bell peppers, and juices including tomato, lemon and orange. And finally, make sure you also limit sugar intake, as this causes insulin levels to rise. And this in turn causes inflammation and subsequent breakdown of collagen levels. So, we hope you found this information useful. Until next time, goodbye.